First of all, let me thank you all for view my videos. Today we will talk about Polygon. Polygon, MATIC, took titles a few times all through 2021 and arrived at a few fantastic highs. What's more, presently financial backers are asking what is Polygon generally anticipated to reach. Before we uncover our top Polygon MATIC cost expectations, how about we first gander at how much is a Polygon? What's more, what is the worth of one MATIC? As indicated by our drawn-out Polygon cost forecast, the cost of Polygon will reach $2.66 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $4.40 toward the finish of 2023, and $10.11 toward the finish of 2025. Polygon will then ascend to $31.20 in 2027 and $50.45 in 2030. Polygon price predictions 2022, 2025, 2030. End of 2022. Becoming the top Ethereum scaling arrangement in 2022 will take MATIC to a high of $2.87. End of 2025. Aiding Ethereum's progress to confirmation of stake in 2025 will see Polygon MATIC appreciate to $15.13. End of 2030. Providing scaling answers for an assortment of other blockchains in 2030 will see Polygon hit $54.85 in 2030. The local badge of Polygon is MATIC, named after its unique marking, MATIC network. MATIC is an ERC-20 symbolic that is utilized to pay for administrations on the stage. It can likewise be utilized as a settlement money between various clients, as well as to pay exchange expenses. There is a complete inventory of 10 billion MATIC tokens, and one token can be separated into 18 decimal spots. Authentic Polygon, MATIC price movements. Dissecting MATIC's value history is the number one thing you ought to do while thinking about making an interest in Polygon. By using Polygon's verifiable information, you can get a brief look at what the resource is equipped for later on. What was Polygon's beginning value? Polygon was most readily accessible to financial backers between the 25th and 26th of April 2019 by means of an ICO, introductory coin offering, at $1 MATIC to $0.00263. What was Polygon's most exorbitant cost? Polygon's unsurpassed high is $2.92, came to on the 27th of December 2021. What was Polygon's least value? Polygon's untouched low is $0.003012, recorded on the 9th of May 2019. In 2021, Polygon started the year at $0.01781, hit its ongoing all-time high referenced above, and finished the year at $2.5271 per MATIC. Polygon's ongoing 52-week low is $0.2985. Specialized analysis of Polygon, MATIC. Leading MATIC value investigation is a flat-out must. Equipped with inside and out examination, you'll be better ready to make exact Polygon cost expectations. From the Polygon MATIC cost chart above, you can rapidly see that Polygon has not been available for extremely lengthy, just somewhat over 2 years. This can make any specialized investigation extremely restricting. Besides, the 2021 bull run can make it harder to sort out MATIC's legitimate cost potential genuinely. In any case, there are a few perceptions that we can make. Right off the bat, from its creation until the start of 2021, Master's take on Polygon price predictions. The Polygon MATIC value standpoint is exceptionally sure across the web. This is the very thing that a portion of the top value forecasters are saying about MATIC. According to the Estimate Information Investigation, the cost of MATIC is supposed to cross the degree of $1.83. Before the year's over, Polygon is supposed to arrive at the very least expense of $1.72. Likewise, the MATIC cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $1.95. Polygon, MATIC, price prediction. In view of our Polygon MATIC cost expectation, from 2022 to 2030, a drawn-out expansion in the cost of MATIC is normal, proposing that financial backers might actually benefit more in the long haul than the present moment. As indicated by these expectations, the worth of the Polygon token could ascend to $2.66 toward the finish of 2022, $4.40 in 2023, and accomplish a mean cost of $10.11 by 2025, an increment of 632%. Now that we discover a smidgen more about Polygon's authentic costs, we can begin to distinguish what essential variables could impact its cost before very long. By consolidating principal and specialized examination, we can find an educated response to the inquiry, would it be a good idea for me I put resources into Polygon? The cost of any still up in the air by the connection among organic market. At the point when the interest surpasses the stock, the cost goes up to mirror the shortage. Whenever the stock is more noteworthy than the interest, the cost will fall. As we referenced before, there is a complete stockpile of 10 billion MATIC tokens. Contrast this with the complete stockpile of Bitcoin tokens, which is covered at just 21 million. This stunning inventory makes the crypto substantially more versatile than others available. Considering the absolute stockpile is yet to enter flow, we could see the cost of MATIC begin to increment as the connection among market interest changes. Possible highs and lows of Polygon, MATIC. Indeed, even after Ethereum finishes its confirmation of stake progress, it will be difficult to envision it working without Polygon's adaptability administrations, which hypothetically could be much quicker by this point. However, on the other side, there is likewise a gamble that MATIC might become repetitive and have to re-examine itself. The essential concern financial backers ought to remember while putting resources into Polygon is that it has many opponents, like Polkadot and Avalanche. The underneath expectation figures frame the possible highs and lows of Polygon cost forecast conjectures for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2027, and 2030, presented by specialized examiners and industry specialists. Who is behind Polygon? Polygon was established by Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, Anurag Arjun, and Mihailo Bielik. Kanani goes about as CEO of Polygon, previously known as the MATIC network. Prior to making the MATIC network, a lot of Group Polygon were at that point laid out blockchain designers, having made numerous significant commitments to Ethereum that are as yet utilized today. All the more as of late, in 2021, Polygon converged with the Hermes network, an open-source zero information arrangement. The consolidation made Polygon's group bigger and hugely worked on its adaptability. What is Polygon MATIC used for? Utilizing the Polygon system, it's feasible to get to the Ethereum blockchain while avoiding a portion of its recent concerns, for instance, high exchange charges and low handling limit. This implies Polygon basically transforms Ethereum into a multi-chain framework, alluded to as the web of blockchains. The stage can hypothetically process up to 65,000 exchanges each second on one side chain, and it takes under 2 seconds to make another square. Who uses Polygon?